I'm Matt White, and I have your April 2026 Tire Industry Association Tech Tip. This one's going to be on Earthmover tire service, and I'm going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, which is tooling. In front of me here, I got a 55-ton ram jack used for lifting. I have a hydraulic box with this hydraulic hose. So let's cover safe operation and maintenance of each one of these. So on my hydraulic ram, you see different components. This one here being a 10-inch. It does say that in the maintenance book for this, that when your best practice is not to exceed 80% of ram height and not to go outside that 5 degrees, right? Because then you get side loading and it wears on that seal in there. Remember, that's just a $10 seal that holds this up. So a jack ram is made for lifting, and the cribbing's made for supporting. So take all your weight off your ram once you get it up and put it on your cribbing. We have the square that locks it in, holds it flat. We have our connection here, we're hydraulic hose, and then we have our valve all the way open, allows the hydraulic fluid to pass through, and then close it up. When you close it all the way in, that allows you to disconnect this so you can use it on another hydraulic tooling. Okay. One little trick I like on this, when it's all the way closed, if you go to release it with a hydraulic box, you can just open this up slowly. And what that does is, when you're doing a technical release, it lets that ram go down really slow so it doesn't jump off on your cribbing. So that's a good trick. We have our hydraulic hose. Got our fitting where we hook up, so that needs to be clean all the time. You'll notice sometimes where you get it lifted up and you go to release it and it won't come down because that might have some dirt in there, might not all the way where your pin pushes in. You might have to tighten it up, so keep that nice and clean. You'll notice some guys, if they're just using this for a dedicated ram, they'll hook them up direct so they don't have to deal with that. On your hydraulic hose, you want to inspect it on a daily basis. Make sure you don't have any cracks, burn marks, and never, ever touch or grab it by your hydraulic hose. When you're going to set this up or you're doing maintenance, never put your air source to it until you're ready to use it. That way you don't have to worry about it. Serious injuries and fatalities can come from hydraulic injuries. So do not grab that hose. I know it's tough to do that. Okay. On our hydraulic box, we've got our connections. They come with a shipping plug. So you need to take the shipping plug and put the working plug in. I know I've had some of the maintenance guys tell me that people call up and they still got the shipping plug in there. So you got to replace that. You'll notice I got a really nice cover that goes over this. It keeps your dirt from your boot getting in there. You don't contaminate the hydraulic fluid in your box. Always check your hydraulic box for proper hydraulic fluids, not transmission fluid. It's whatever recommended by the manufacturer. So they come in different quart sizes. So if you're going to use like 100-ton, you'll use a lot of fluid. So make sure that you use what's applicable for the application that you're doing. Next month, I'm going to have my farm tire service safety tech tip. So I'll see you then. In the meantime, stay safe. Have a great day.